Why learn Ruby and Ruby on Rails?
So, Ruby is a popular programming language known for its simplicity and productivity. Combined with Ruby on Rails, a powerful web framework, it enables developers to quickly build dynamic web applications. Mastering Ruby and Rails can open doors to careers in web development, startups, and tech companies, making them valuable skills for both beginners and experienced programmers.
Top platforms for learning Ruby online.
Several respected platforms offer Ruby courses online. Codecademy provides an interactive Ruby track perfect for beginners. Udemy features a wide range of courses, from basic Ruby to advanced Rails projects. Coursera and edX partner with universities to deliver comprehensive learning paths in web development, including Ruby. These options allow you to learn at your own pace and level.
Official documentation and tutorials.
The official Ruby documentation offers free guides that cover every aspect of the language. Ruby on Rails guides provide step-by-step tutorials for building entire applications. Both resources are essential for deepening your understanding, troubleshooting issues, and staying up to date with the latest best practices in Ruby development.
Community resources and free learning.
Ruby's community is friendly and active. Sites like the Odin Project offer comprehensive, free courses on Ruby and Rails. Exercism.io lets you practice Ruby with real feedback from mentors. RubyMonk offers interactive lessons, and forums such as Stack Overflow and Reddit can help you get quick answers to your questions while connecting with other learners.
Building projects and advancing your skills.
Applying what you learn is vital. Try building simple web apps or automating tasks to reinforce your Ruby skills. Many courses include project-based assignments. Open source projects on GitHub welcome beginners and are a great way to practice coding while contributing to real-world software. Continuous learning and practice will help you grow as a Ruby developer.